Hey everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. This is unboxing take 2. I got a box in the mail and I opened it and I got this far when I realized the camera wasn't recording. So, take 2. I got a box in the mail, everybody. And anyway, inside the box is... And I haven't actually opened this, alright, so this is all for real. So we have a flashlight from WowTac, which is supported by ThruNite. And we're all very familiar with ThruNite now. WowTac has very high quality flashlights. And this, well, we'll open it up and see what we have here. BSS V3. So, another new light on the market, I guess. Very nice, very comfortable to grip. I like that. Got a really serious defensive end on there. That is no joke. This is the most extreme end I've ever seen on a flashlight. So if you want a personal defense flashlight, wow, look at that. Let me see. Oh, there's 2 buttons. One here and one here. So I'll have to figure that out. Let me see. I'll probably have to open it up. Let's see what's up. Oh, that's interesting. That unscrews. Huh. That comes off. Let's see what we got here. Generally, there's a seal in there. There it is. Little tab stops the thing from turning on and shipping. We have a WowTac. Oh yes, USB rechargeable battery. I love these things. USB rechargeable battery. That is so cool. Because the USB rechargeable batteries I can charge on the go with my folding solar panels that I take camping, backpacking, and hiking with me. I love it. These are so cool. So that's the WowTac 3400 milliamp hour rechargeable USB rechargeable batteries, which by the way you can get separately from WowTac, the batteries. So we'll put this back together, and then of course there's going to be a major gasket here, water resistant. We'll check out all the details later in the full review. That's bright. Wow. There's all your modes. That's the candlelight mode. So let me see, high, medium, low. Seems to be 3 brightness levels. Major heavy duty on off button right there. And then you can cycle through your modes. Oh wow, if you hold this button, okay, this is something really cool. If you hold this little button right here, I like this. You got the flashing mode. For emergency, no more scrambling around to get your emergency mode. Right now, that is unique. I like it. Well, first impressions, that's a very serious defensive flashlight. Very serious. And we have a shirt clip, USB charging cable, and spare gaskets. Oh, look at that. That's something unique. That's why you can unscrew it. Lenses. Anti-reflective colored lens. I'll have to check out what that's about. But really cool. I've never had a flashlight that had that in since I was in the Army. We'll have to see what that's all about. Okay, well this is unique already in a couple points. I'm liking this light. Alright guys, well stay tuned, and for follow-ups on the WowTac BSS V3, I'd call it a tactical flashlight, LED flashlight. Let me see just briefly what lumens we got here. Okay guys, this is extremely impressive. This little tiny light has 1050 lumens, 1150 on strobe. That is impressive, and it runs 2.7 hours on high. On medium is 208 lumens for 8 hours, which is impressive. That's very bright. And we've got a beam intensity of 12,150 candles and a beam distance of 220 meters visibility. Very impressive tiny little light. Alright guys, stay tuned and watch for the full review and field testing of the WowTac BSS V3 flashlight. Really cool.